Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to learn beatboxing at home step by step. First, focus on the foundational sounds. The kick drum, snare, and hi-hat are your building blocks. Practice each one until it's second nature. Don't rush. Consistency is key. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can progress with dedicated practice. Let's dive into the techniques. Once you have the basic sounds down, it's time to combine them. Start with simple patterns like boots and cats to develop your rhythm. Gradually increase complexity and speed. Don't be afraid to experiment with different sound combinations. Listening to other beatboxers can also spark new ideas and help you discover your unique style. Keep practicing those rhythms. Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give this video a like. It really helps the channel. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car, right? Grab a little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener to keep your ride smelling amazing. You can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Ready to level up? Explore advanced sounds such as the inward K snare or the vocal bass. These will add depth and complexity to your beats. Focus on breath control. It's crucial for sustained performances. Recording yourself is a fantastic way to pinpoint what needs work and celebrate your improvements. Consistency truly pays off in beatboxing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.